BMW has launched several new models over the last few years, and 2024 will see the automaker expand its lineup in the US. It will introduce a new i4 variant, add some new trims to the 7 Series, and begin rolling out its new operating system before the end of 2023. The automaker will start delivering the 2024 i4 xDrive 40 in the US during the year's third quarter. The 396 horsepower dual-motor EV can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds, with 443 pound-feet of torque on tap. It slots below the i4 M50, which makes 536 horsepower. Its 80.7 kilowatt-hour battery offers an estimated 307 miles of range with the model's aerodynamically optimized 18-inch wheels. That drops to 282 miles with the 19-inch ones. It starts at $62,595. All prices include the $995 destination charge. The 7 Series is getting 3 new offerings for 2024, the 750e xDrive, the i7 xDrive 50, and the 740i xDrive. The 750e is a plug-in hybrid offering 483 horsepower, 516 pound-foot of torque, and an estimated 35 miles of pure electric range. It goes on sale this fall in the US market for $107,995. The end of the year will also see BMW launch the i7 xDrive 50 in the US. The single-motor EV powers the rear wheels and will start at $106,695. BMW will release the car's range and performance figures closer to the trim's launch. In July, BMW will begin producing the 740i xDrive for 2024, giving the variant all-wheel drive and 449 horsepower. The added feature drops the car's 0 to 60 times from 5.1 to 4.9 seconds. Deliveries begin in the year's third quarter, with the sedan's price starting at $100,395. This summer, the automaker will also launch its latest version of iDrive OS, which it introduced earlier this year. It offers new screen and menu structures and other improvements. In July, BMW will begin producing vehicles with the new 8.5 OS, introducing it on the 9, i4, and 7 Series models. It will install the OS on the X5, X6, X7, and XM crossover in August.